Module 1, Quiz 4, Lessons 13 through 15, Dividing Decimals Quiz. Number 1. Which quotient below is reasonable? A. 2 7/10 divided by 9 equals 3. B. 27 divided by 9 equals 3/10. C. 27 hundredths divided by 9 equals 3 hundredths. D. 27 thousandths divided by 9 equals 30 thousandths. Number 2. Jamie wrote the following in his math journal. 1 68 hundredths divided by 8 equals 2 1/10. Which two statements explain why Jamie's thinking is incorrect? Which two statements explain why Jamie's thinking is incorrect? A. The quotient is greater than the number that is being divided into 8 parts. B. Since the number that is being divided into 8 parts is thousandths, the quotient should be thousandths or smaller. C. The quotient is smaller than the number being divided into 8 parts. D. Since the number that is being divided into 8 parts is hundredths, the quotient should be hundredths or smaller. Again, which two statements explain why Jamie's thinking is incorrect? Number 3. Write the following as a numerical expression. 5 groups of 3/10 is 1 5/10. Number 4. Write the following as a numerical expression. 2 groups of 7/10 is 1 4/10. Number 5. Which expression best represents 8 84 hundredths divided by 4? Number 6. Find the quotients. Then use numbers, words, or pictures to describe any relationships you notice between each pair of problems and quotients. 21 divided by 3, 2 1/10 divided by 3. Explain. So use words, numbers, or pictures to describe any relationships you notice between each pair of problems and quotients. Number 7. Draw place value discs on the place value chart to solve. Then show each step in the standard algorithm. You can do the standard algorithm over here in this blank space. The problem that you're solving is 6/10 divided by 4. So again, you must do the place value chart and you must do the standard algorithm. Number 8. Solve the following using the standard algorithm. Letter A. 7 2/10 divided by 6. Letter B. 5 7/10 divided by 3. Number 9. An art teacher has 6 students in a pottery class. She has 32 4/100 pounds of clay that he divides evenly between all the students. How many pounds of clay will each student receive? Number 10. Emily is making small bags of grapes from a large bag of grapes that weighs 8 1/10 pounds. If she puts the same amount of grapes in each of the 5 bags, how much will each bag weigh? A. 162,000 pounds. B. 1 62 hundredth pounds. C. 16 2/10 pounds. D. 162 pounds. Number 11. A chain 5 7/10 feet long is cut into 6 equal pieces. How long is each piece? Number 12. Popcorn at the movie theater costs $6.95. It costs 5 times as much as popcorn at a Lake High School basketball game. How much does popcorn cost at the basketball game? Number 13. 3 teachers went to see Zootopia and spent $28.50 on tickets. How much money did each ticket cost? Fill in the tape diagram and solve to find the cost of the ticket. So you have total cost of tickets and then solve to find the cost of one ticket. Number 14. Divide. Show unit form and then standard form. 3 5/10 divided by 7 equals 35/10 divided by 7, which equals how many tenths? And then write your answer in standard form or as a decimal. Number 15. 3 28 divided by 4 equals how many tenths divided by 4 plus how many hundredths divided by 4, and then write your answers in standard form.